Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I got something a little more familiar to me, something that my collection pretty much is made up of this shoe or shoe similar to this, and it's going to be the Adidas Ultra Boost. Now this is going to be in the triple black colorway, the Adidas 4.0. Gotta admit, some pictures I saw online of the shoe, I wasn't too impressed. You really can't go wrong with the triple black, but I personally own the triple black 3.0, the V2 version, and probably my favorite shoe I have, wear it quite a bit. But when I saw this one, it definitely has a little more color than just the black thrown in there. That could be either a good thing or bad thing, but let's go ahead and find out. So I haven't even really taken a look at these yet, other than online, and take this one out. All right, so few pretty big differences noticing just off the bat here, and probably the most obvious is going to be this cage. This looks very similar to the cage that is on some of the Parlay Ultra Boost, or not on some, but pretty much all the Parlay Ultra Boosts I'm aware of. Yeah, it's not that plastic cage. It is, yeah, I don't really know how to describe it other than it is what you'd find on a Parlay Ultra Boost. You do have your blacked out boost here. I love this shoe personally because you can wear it with so many different combinations, and this is also the first 4.0 shoe that I have, and I gotta admit, to me it does look better in person. I wasn't too sure. Like, I've read quite a few reviews online, and the 4.0 seems to be one that either you like it or you don't really care too much for it. I do got to admit, some colors look better than the others, but this one isn't half bad. So you can definitely tell that it has the very pronounced lines that kind of run throughout the whole shoe. This may not come up in the video here, but you can see a little bit of a different texture on this area, on the toe box. You may not be able to pick it up here on the video, but it does. You very lightly can see that there is a different pattern here. Other than that, I do like that it does have what many are calling the 3D printed heel cap, which is found on the V2 3.0 triple black model. And then other than that, the laces are a little bit different from what I have on my triple black 3.0s. They have quite a bit of kind of like a gray, light gray kind of mixed in there. Not too sure if you can see that. And then of course the new Ultra Boost, or the Boost logo I should say. Kind of odd that they changed it to that. That is definitely something new. And other than that, you just pretty much got the triple black, the black black sole, black midsole, or blacked out midsole, I should say, because it is still, of course, white. Then other than that, it is something very familiar if you've kept up with Adidas, triple black, Ultra Boost. I gotta admit, I do kind of like this 4.0 pattern. I'm not too sure if I like it more than the 3.0. But what I'll go ahead and do is take some more photos, and then maybe what I can do as well is do a comparison video since I do own both. But all right, thanks for tuning in, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, so very quickly here, one thing I wanted to point out as I was setting these up to get some more photos of is the quality control on here is definitely below average. So quite a few glue stains. I'm not too sure if you can pick it up, but definitely see a lot of glue stains all around the shoe. And then, you can see that, let's see here, there are some bits and pieces like that where the white boost is showing. So, well, it is what it is. It will get scuffed up anyways. I have seen where you can purchase the Angelus paint and kind of paint over that if it really bugs you. But yeah, just thought I'd point that out. Thanks again.